Tilly and the Invisible Paint. Tilly loved to paint, but one day she felt like her art was missing something special. Then she found a bottle of invisible paint in her art room. She was curious and decided to try it out. She painted kindness on her paper, and even though she couldn't see it, she could feel it. She painted laughter, love, and joy, and each stroke made her feel warm and happy. Tilly soon realized that sometimes the most important things in life, like love and kindness, can't be seen, only felt. The invisible paint became her magical way of expressing things beyond sight. When Tilly's friends looked at her painting, they all said it made them feel happy, though they didn't know why. Tilly smiled, knowing her invisible paint had spread a message only hearts could understand. The paint taught her that kindness, joy, and love leave the brightest marks, even if they're invisible. Tilly promised to keep spreading these invisible colors everywhere she went.